guys, good morning. Magka-hike tayo ngayon. So naghihintay tayo ng 85 na bus papuntang Siu Sai Wan. So breamar yun. Nandito na ako sa Island Resort, Siu Sai Wan. There you go guys. After you get off at Island Resort, go right and then go to this way. And then you go right after the court. There. And there's a toilet here. Take the stairs on your left. So let's go up the stairs until we reach the top. There's the Leaping Dragon Walk. I think either way pwede siyang getting same exit. So I'm hiking alone and I'm doing the Siu Sai Wan to big wave hike. It's a bit hot today, but it's gonna be fine. Just go straight. There you go. Just continue walking. I'll walk slowly because it's a bit hot and I'm not rushing naman, so it's okay. So after a few minutes of walk, we need to go up these stairs. Let's go up the stairs. Okay. Then there's a small refreshment there. But we will go to the stairs on the left. So we'll go up these stairs. Okay. There is it. Check out Country Park. And then Taiwan Collision Road. Guys, going to Big Wave. And there. And we will also pass Pottinger Big View Compass. So let's go up the stairs. It's a bit high, so take it slowly. Yeah, guys. So hello guys. Let's continue our hike. Going up to the Pottinger viewing compass. And that's the stairs. So that's the view here. Diyan. So ayun yung view sa likod ko guys. Ganda guys, oh. Yan nga, 300 step and more. The 400 step, but more to come. So we're almost near the view compass. I'm gonna go there first to look at the view. Yeah, there. Let's go here first. So here's the I'm here now at the compass view of Pottinger Peak. So this is the view that you will see. Ayan. Ganda. So after taking some photos in the viewing compass, we'll retrace our way to continue our hike to Big Wave. So let's go back from where we turned left a while ago, and then we're gonna go to the right path. Okay, so here you go. We're gonna go to Big Wave Bay. This is where I came from, Siu Sai Wan. So another 1 hour and 45 minutes. Let's go. Take the right path. Here's the distance pose. Okay. It's a bit shady, so it's okay kahit na late ako nag-start. So there you go, guys. What a beautiful view. That's Dragon's Back. Check. Oh. So there you go, guys. After the stairs, there's a water catcher here. We turn right, and then there's a sign saying going to Big Wave, so we followed that there. So Passenger Peak is that mountain there. So after the viewing compass, you should go straight the intersection, but I turned right, so it's okay. It's just the same. Enjoy the hike, enjoy the view, and it's quite shaded, so it's a nice hike. So there you go, guys. I'm in the intersection, resting for a while. So if I took the Passenger Peak, I should come from that mountain and then come out from this water catcher here. See here, then go this way to Big Wave, but it's okay. So there you go, guys. After a rest there, I continue my way going down, and that's the view. Let's check all Dragon's Back with the mountains and the ocean. What a beautiful view, and the weather is so nice, not that hot now, the wind's so cold. So there, that's where I came from. There, it's the view. I really can't get enough of the view. It's so nice, and it's getting cooler now, so it's just perfect. So the reason I decided to start in Siu Sai Wan, because if you start in Big Wave, you're gonna go up these stairs, and it's so exhausting, so it's better to start in Siu Sai Wan. But anyway, both ways are nice, relaxing, and enjoying the views and the mountains and the sun and the trees. But look at the view while climbing the stairs. It's so nice. Maybe I'll do this hike next time again, starting in Big Wave. So from what I saw from the writings on the stairs, so this is 700, and then the one on the top is 1,000. So this is stairs more or less 1,000 step coming from Big Wave. but in Siu Sai Wan it's 400. So there you go, guys. That's Big Wave Beach. Yan. Almost done with our hike. Just a few more steps going down, and then we're at the beach. Yan. There, people are still surfing. Let's go here first to look at some of the rock writings. Wait. There, some rock carvings here. These are some of those that you can find all around Hong Kong. And that's it. So that's it, guys. This is the end of my hike. So pupunta na ako. I'm going home para hindi ako sumabay sa crowd later. So let's go home. Let's go to the bus stop. Go to the bus stop.